Okay, got the valve cover off. Frankly, I was hoping to find a broken rocker arm or something obvious, or broken push rod or loose push rod or something, but I see nothing bad, overtly bad, smoking gun type, but this is the cylinder that has no compression on this side of the bike. And I'm noticing this adjuster is way down for some reason. And these are much lesser down. So I turn it over to see the valve action. You got the valve action on this side going around, and on the other side going, and everything. Now we're going to come around to top dead center, right about now. We're at top dead center. So, okay, these two rocker arms have clearance. About right from the click that I hear. Let's go around the top dead center on the other side. Okay, now these two are tight, because they should be, and these two should have clearance. This one does. Okay, can you hear it? Okay, so that has clearance. Clearance. This one is tighter than a drum. So I'm going to loosen this rocker and see if I can get good clearance, and then do another compression check and see what happens. Okay, so that's where we are. No smoking gun, nothing broken that I can see, all the action happening. This is my main suspect at the moment. Okay, thank you.